Hey guys, Mr. Mom 713 here, back in the kitchen with a simple and easy way to get your fiber intake. It's recommended that women get around 25 grams of fiber a day, men get around 35 grams of fiber a day. That can be difficult if you're not taking a supplement like Metamucil or something like that, or if you don't eat enough berries, the fiber is so important in our diet. So this is an easy way that I get my fiber in, and it tastes great. So all I'm making is chicken tacos. And so I'm gonna get my protein and I'm gonna get my fiber. Let me show you how I get my fiber. So there's a couple different options here. I picked these up at the local grocery store. These Mission Zero Net Carb tortillas are great. They're perfect, okay? So each tortilla is coming in at 7 grams of fiber, okay? My personal favorite is the jalapeno flavor, all right? Obviously, I only have one more left, okay? So I'm definitely gonna eat that one. 7 grams of fiber in this little tortilla. All right, they're very soft. You can heat them up in the microwave. I'll show you how I like to heat them up. Slap that on there. That's 7 grams of fiber. I'll eat 3 to 4 of these, okay? Because they're only, you look at the calories, each tortilla is only 30 calories. Okay, so you can have 4 tortillas and it's not a problem at all. Okay, you're almost getting 30 grams of fiber from that. They also have a chipotle flavor, which is really good. Okay, so I'm probably gonna do one of those. This is the Sriracha Ranch, okay? And they also have just a standard regular tortilla, no flavor, but I like flavor. This is another brand. These are Extreme Wellness, same thing pretty much, okay? So this is more just like a regular tortilla by itself, no flavor in it. So you can use those, but they're very soft. You have to check these out, okay? Next time you're at the grocery store, grab you some of those. So I have I got the jalapeno one. I'm gonna grab a chipotle one. Now what I'm cooking here is I'm using chicken thighs. And so that's how I'm gonna get my protein. I got around 8 ounces of chicken thighs. I weighed it out before. So I'm just gonna do one of each, look at that. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab one of these too, because I'm gonna make 4 of them, all right? So I'm using chicken thighs. Now chicken thighs, remember, has a little bit more fat in it. So if you're trying to go lower fat, and you don't wanna get too much excess fat, then go with the chicken breast, but I'm using chicken thighs. I've already had these cooking for a little bit to kind of make it a little quicker. So look at that. Ooh, buddy, those chicken thighs coming in good. Now what I do is I use olive oil cooking spray, okay? So I hit it with that. I also hit it with the Pam butter flavor, okay? Hit it with that so it just doesn't stick. Now I like lemon pepper flavored stuff, so it just makes it real easy. I use this right here. I hit it. I'll just add a little seasoning on each side, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna keep flipping it until you think it's ready, okay? So what I also keep in the fridge, if you can find some of this, it's just pure lemon juice. All right, so you add this in kind of at the end to let it marinate in that. It gives it more of the lemon flavor. I'll do that. Actually, let me turn the heat up, cover it up. Like I said, if you use chicken breast, it's gonna be much leaner. Okay, it's gonna be a lot of protein, but pretty lean. But I've been on a chicken thigh kick lately. It's been so good. They have they're just so much. They're more moist. It just tastes really good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook these, and it doesn't take long to cook chicken. All right, and so you just keep flipping it, spray it down, season it, flip it, and then just keep doing it until it's ready. It doesn't take long at all. All right, and then all you have to do is cut the chicken up, add it to your tacos, and like if you want to put any hot sauce or whatever else you want to add in there, you can add. If you add like some diced tomatoes or something like that, it comes out amazing. Whatever your personal preference is. A lot of times I'll just eat it like this. I made it the other night. My family loved it. It tastes really good, and you don't have to feel bad because you're eating tortillas, right? Because these tortillas are really good. This one's 25 calories. This one is 30 calories. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Don't have to feel bad, but you're also getting your fiber. So we want to make sure we're trying to hit those protein goals each day, and we're hitting our fiber goals each day, okay? So we want to work on that. Let me go ahead and hit this again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it. Spray it. Now, if you don't like using spray butter, you don't have to use this. This is just what I do. I find it so much easier. I'm gonna hit it with a little of that. I'm gonna flip it. See, it's almost ready already. And I've only started cooking it for a few minutes before I started the video, so it's not too loud in there. So what I'm gonna do now I'm gonna go ahead and start hitting it with the pure lemon juice. Just a little bit, you don't need much. You don't want to taste it too much like lemon. Okay, so just go ahead and if you like these videos, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know if you want me to keep making videos like this. I will definitely keep making them. Let me know in the comments if you have little hacks or something that you like to use or why you don't use certain things. That's totally fine. I'm always here to learn. These are just options that I've been doing for a long time. When I made this one, I got excited about it. Cause I'm like, first of all, it's chicken thighs. It's lemon pepper. I love lemon pepper. And it's tacos. Who doesn't like tacos? Come on now. And you're getting your fiber. Let's go. All right, let me show you what I do with these tortillas. All you gotta do on these tortillas, boy, it's popping at me now. It's almost ready. Look at that. Just go ahead and hit it again. What I like to do with the tortillas, slap them on there. All right, just slap them on there like that. This is the perfect way to warm them up. All right, it puts the flavor in the tortilla already. It warms them up. It doesn't burn them or anything like that, so that they're ready to go. When you cut the chicken up, put them in the tortilla. It's already got the flavor on there, and you eat these, and you don't feel super full. Okay, you don't feel like, oh my gosh, now I need to go take a nap. Oh man, I'm so full. You don't feel like that. All right, you feel pretty good. I'm gonna go cover it up for a second. I know it is kind of loud. The cool thing about this is that they're actually getting the flavor as they're just sitting on top of the chicken. So as the chicken's cooking, warm those tortillas at the end. They'll be ready to go. And you can just feel them. I mean, look, sometimes it gets in the pan. Look at that, it's smoking. Ooh, buddy. Come on now, look at that. Ooh, man. Okay, so if you see the tortillas, you see how they cooked a little bit. Okay, so that's all lemon pepper on there. All right, that's all your seasoning. Whatever seasoning you choose to use. So see how that chicken's coming out? Look at that. That is just pure goodness right there. Man, it is ready. It is. I'm gonna shift. Make a shift here. Look at that. Oh man, come on now. I wish you can smell it. It smells so good. Wish I could move the camera a little closer so I could show you, but cutting that, look how juicy that chicken is. Look at that. It just tears apart. Look how good that is. So simple. I'm telling you guys, you gotta try this one. You have to try this one. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you're able to try this, go buy a pack of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, okay? Throw that joker in there. Can y'all see that one? See that one right there? Look, I mean, take that one out. Look at, oh man, look at that. You cannot beat this. You're getting your protein, you're getting your fiber. All right, so I'm gonna go hit those like that. Oh man, I'm ready to eat. This smells great. Appreciate you watching. Let me know if you like this video. Hit the like button. Help you on your weight loss journey. Just here to help you get and stay fit. Mr. Mom 713. Let's go.